Okay, so this video goes out to all you people. I know I'm not the only one who likes to pick and peel dried acrylic. Look at this. This has been drying for a couple of days. Bring you in, maybe you can see it pop through. Oh, this one's stuck. Oh, there's still some under there that's not dry. Okay, we'll let that get some air. I hope someone else, I know at least one person likes this, so I hope I'm just not looking like a freak posting this. I find it very calming. Right down to the clean surface. Yeah. Oh boy, this is difficult to do with one hand, and I don't have my tripod out here, so forgive me. This one's still wet. Yep, that one's very wet. Okay, this one, let's see. That's wet too. Alright, look at this huge, disgusting piece of acrylic. Try this bit. There we go. There's a nice bit. It's a little wet. Still wet. Okay, so this has been out here for a couple of days. It's still pretty wet. I'm gonna leave it a bit longer. I really want to see the white under there, but it's still way too sticky. And this is about, I don't know, 3 weeks worth of pores, residue from pores, so it's gonna take a while. But I will leave you with this last little bit. Ooh, and it's a white bit. It's a little white bit. You can see the surface. Look at this. Oh, so good. Oh, perfect. Perfect way to end a video. Okay, my fellow peelers and pourers, you have a good weekend. And happy peeling and pouring. Going in to wash my hands. I will see you guys later.